You started? Okay, hello YouTube, hello again everybody. Всім привіт, і сьогодні ми у селі. And this was not what I planned for today's video, but can you turn and get a little view of everything? There might be a little bit of sound from the wind blowing. I'm gonna take care of that in the future. I'm trying to block out the sound of that today. But anyway, yeah, this was not the planned video for today, but we're in the village today. And I plan to go to the city center and make a fun and cool video for you. But plans ended up changing a little bit, and it definitely wasn't my desire or plan today to talk about anything to do with rocket attacks or things like that. But unfortunately, last night there was another huge attack. They've been constant for the past few weeks. So, change of plans. I am kind of just rambling today because I, you know, I can say this. I'll give you my feelings and insight on what it's like for me to be here right now. Whenever this kind of stuff happens, I honestly get really stressed. I had, it was a rough night for me. Not everybody has the same feelings that I do about this or gets as worried as I do. But anyway, blessed to be okay. And I've got people praying for me and for all of us. So I'm thankful for all of you who are doing that. And I just wanted to share something today since we're going a little off track with the original plan. There's a group that I'm in, and for anybody who you want to get a more direct look into all of this stuff, I would recommend you download the app Telegram, and you can go into these groups that are from Ukrainians, that are even from Russians, and you can see firstly the sort of really what I've seen, the really inhumane and bloodthirsty kind of comments that are said in these Telegram channels. If you go in live chats for Moscow and all of this kind of stuff, you can see the kind of stuff they're saying and their lack of care, and they're really, they talk about killing everybody and things like this. You'll see for yourself. Don't take my word. Just go in these groups on Telegram. Get the app. But I'm in another group that is a group by a volunteer, soldier, and there's a message that he wanted anybody to share with as many people as they could. So I want to share that message with you today for this video. And he said, if you want to know who is responsible, check out. This is about the terrorist attack in Moscow. If you want to know who is responsible, check out what their spokespersons say. Terrorists or ISIS wanted to escape to Ukraine. They did not change the car even a single time after starting mass shooting. They were trying to reach Ukraine through the region with the second biggest number of checkpoints, military recon units, and border guard amount. So, if you don't already know about Rise on Sugar, where the FSB was blowing up buildings so they could justify mobilization for their war with Ichkeria, and ended up killing and subjugating Chechnya, check all of that out, and you can see a pattern here and the sort of behavior that exists. So I'm going to leave you with that today. It wasn't my plan today to talk about this kind of stuff or make a political video. Hopefully the next one's going to be a little more fun and lighthearted, but that's where we're at today. So, any questions, any comments, please leave it there, and I'll be happy to respond to anything that anybody wants to say. So, oh, Richie, come on. Okay, that's the end.